tempestuous conditions, more than 16 corners to negotiate. A rider representing the nation of France, about to set up at 27 years of age, and he gets ready to go as the
Jérémy Lecroc was the first rider off the start ramp. This is how the Tour de France began in Copenhagen. The rain started to fall even heavier, however, and we had our first crash. Stefan Bissegger, one of the big favourites, going down not once, but twice. Day to forget for him in EF Education Easy Post. Mathieu van der Poel riding a 58.11 and with plenty of beans given, set the fastest time at the intermediate check. He then went on to set the fastest time at the finish line, beating Bauke Mollema by just under 4 seconds, 15:30. And then came Primož Roglič. Super start for the GC man. Mads Pedersen was looking for the win, and he would get mightily close to Mathieu van der Poel's time. Geraint Thomas, Gile still on. Forgot to take it off, but he'd be across the line, and across the line in a fairly solid time in the end. Then came Jonas Vingegaard. He matched Roglič almost pedal stroke for pedal stroke at the recent Dauphiné. And alongside his teammate yet again at the top, fraction of a second quicker than the multiple winner of the Vuelta a España. Filippo Ganna in his World Championship stripes turned up for business. And he'd take the lead, going faster than Van der Poel. But on the day, he would not be fast enough. Tadej Pogačar, Wout van Aert were waiting. Van Aert would come to the finish line. And Van Aert would be quicker than Ganna. It looked as though this time would not be beaten. A man for all seasons would get mightily close to doing so, and he'd be the best of the GC guys. Two-time defending champion in second place. Yves Lampaert had set the fastest time at the time check, but then this happened. And Yves Lampaert, just look at that reaction on the left-hand side. Wout van Aert knows that his compatriot's a good rider. He probably didn't expect that. Yves Lampaert, the fastest on the day, and winning the stage as the Tour de France got underway.